Today our lesson is square numbers. Look at here. These are squared numbers. Here 1 into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 3 is 9. This is a number pattern. Dots always form a square. So, for 1 into 1, we write as 1 squared. For 2 into 2, we write as 2 squared. For 3 into 3, we write as 3 squared. Right? Those are the squared numbers. Then imagine another number. 4 squared. That means 4 into 4. Answer is 60. Another number. 5 squared. That means 5 into 5. That is, answer is 25. 10 squared. That is 10 into 10. Answer is 100. 9 squared. That means 9 into 9. Answer is 81. These are the squared numbers.